Hang on.
Yes,
I don't know if I can do it.
It's about good. Does it look like it's aiming right? Does it need to go down? I don't know.
Oh my God, I'm freaking out.
You can adjust it.
You're okay, Lori. You got it. We got
I
it.
know. Let's go. I'm gonna go put this back this second.
Make sure Alexis is fine. Where is she?
We'll find him.
Who's him?
Huh?
Who's him? I said,
This doesn't seem like a good
I
idea.
said, make sure Alexis is okay.
Man, I
Let's
said we'll
go,
find him.
girls.
Oh, I should have put Tampax up my nose. My nose is dripping.
Jesus
I'm getting
Christ.
claustrophobic. Seriously.
Ready? Let's kick ass.
We're gonna take it, guys. Watch us in the winner's circle.
What?
Are you serious?
You guys, I don't think I can do it. I'm getting claustrophobic. I'm freaking out.
Too late, bitch.
No, I'm serious. I think I gotta
Alright,
get
we'll
out.
get her out now.
I'm
She's taking her helmet off.
Okay,
go. Okay, she wants out.
I'm getting out.
You got the thing.
I
Hold
can't.
on.
I'm sorry. I
Mom, you
can't do
can't
it.
get her out this way.
Linda
wants out.
I'm claustrophobic. I can't do it.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I thought I could do it.
Yeah.
Okay, get out.
Okay, Vaughn, you gotta slide over and get yourself in a
Okay.
Oh my God.
Look, it just means you guys have more room.
Lord Jesus, I pray that you protect us, keep us all safe. All the cars out there, especially ours.
Love you,
Keep
Linda.
us
Love
safe.
you.
In the name I pray, amen.
Dude, I'm so sorry. I love you, girls. I am too claustrophobic.
Take a good video.
Pictures then, damn it. What are you doing out of there? I can't do it. I cannot do it. I couldn't
Thanks.
breathe.
I thought I
Dude,
was
this helmet's
safe
heavy.
in between them.
Caught in here.
You actually have more room now. Make sure you got your seatbelts on though.
Okay. I wish I
And
could
then
have my
just
last
follow what
drink.
everybody else does.
Should I go to the right of this can and try and turn left? Or go to the left?
Just, you want to stay as straight as possible. Just
Yeah, I would want. I think you're right. Go this
Am
way.
I
and then-
next?
right after this one. Yeah.
You got it, Lord. Let's go.
Oh my God, I can't believe you're fucking doing this shit, man. Crazy fucking honeys.
Holy cow, you can hear those.
Can't tell if I'm gonna hit anything.
Just keep it straight.
Pick that fucking girl.
Still got the boat on.
There you go, Mom. There you
Good.
go.
Am I clear?
Yep, you cleared it good.
Yep, you're still good.
Oh my God, that's so funny. Oh my God, don't mess with that guy. Don't mess with that guy. Holy fuck, man. Do not mess with that one.
I should have flipped him off.
Did you flip him off?
I did.
No!
Then I gave him a thumbs up.
Then they're gonna come after us. Get your hands in the fucking vehicle.
Okay, how am I doing? Is it straight behind me?
Yeah, you're right behind you. You're not.
so far.
You're good. Just try not to stop all the way because we'll spin out.
Oh, you are so fucking good. It's Hillary's head. It's about to fall off
Still
yet.
there. Oh shit. What do we got there? A little
Go a
bit
little
second.
higher. Go a little higher with the boat. Just give it a turn.
Go out wide. Go close to him. Holy fuck, man.
Perfect.
Grandma, I love you.
Woo!
You don't have to go too fast. We're gonna end up finding a spot and stopping on the track instead. Don't go too far because we all have to stop separate.
I gotta stop in front of our people.
Okay, so stop up here and probably stay stopped because he said we all stop and then we start at the same time.
Woohoo! Woo! I heard his honk.
I feel like we're gonna break down already. But you gotta stop before. So, Mom, do you understand the way we start? We all stop, step away from each other, and then we'll tell us when we start.
Where do you want me to stop?
I don't know. Wait till you see someone stop, I guess. See, that guy's boat's upside down. That shit ain't fair.
What the fuck are they off for already?
Is this everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's no way that's
that's
10 or
everybody.
12, I count.
But maybe they won't run.
got the Griswold, you got the
Sort of worried about that car because that boat's gonna pull it. See, our boat's pretty straight behind us.
us out now.
What? Wait, he wants
What's
us.
he saying?
I can't go to him.
I can't hear
Stop.
anything that you're saying to you guys. Let's watch, I'm gonna watch the flight guy.
He wants him to go, not you. You stay right here. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So if you guys are screaming too much, you won't be able to hear us. Oh, but then he didn't squirt us.
Oh my God.
So that's really slippery. So when you go too fast,
You
it's
gotta
gonna
screw that stuff
whip us.
without
That's
taking out a
nothing.
barricade or
Okay.
whatever. You got it.
That's a scary one, right?
It is very intimidating looking, yeah.
I guess you can do whatever you want. It's a boat, right?
Yep.
He's gonna have
I was
somehow
worried about
on
Linda,
the-
just so you know, the whole time.
Me
So
too. I knew she wasn't
I'm
gonna do
glad it worked out because I don't want her having a heart attack on us here.
it. Well, she would have been stuck in here, dead.
Look at the red t-shirts in the last corner. It's awesome.
Isn't that awesome? Oh, okay. How many? 1, 2,
I counted 9.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 or 9.
There's 8 maybe. I counted.
I counted 10 or 12 in that truck for them.
Hooked up like a car and a boat? Huh. Maybe they're coming out later.
So you can tell me go right or left or whatever. It's
Yeah.
better for me if you navigate me.
I think that your goal right now is just going to be to drive. But like his boat would be, you kind of want to hit their boats at a time when you find the opportunity.
In the middle lane.
I mean, like,
I think stay high because
right in front of us,
I think
that's
stay high through this turn for sure. Or our boat's going to go that way. Don't go yet, lady. Wait till the light turns green. Go. It's not a race. It's not a race.
Hey, what do I do?
Just go. It's not a race.
Attack a boat?
Let's start. Look, watch. Come on, go.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God. It's gonna hit us. Fuck. I don't know. He's on our boat, dude. Do we have a boat still? We're going the wrong way. Oh my God, they're mean. Do we have a boat? Yes, we have a big boat. It's on our boat. Where's the boat? Oh, God! Let's go. Get out. Go. There's no one behind us. Slow down, Mom. Seriously. Slow. You're good. It's coming after. Go slow in the turn. We're going to spin out. It's going to break us up. Coming for us. Go through the gate. Let it go. Someone behind us. Trying to take our boat off. Hey, keep going. Slow down. Slow. Slow that car's on fire. Oh! Alright. So we're getting out, but we need to get that red boat. Get the red boat. Slow in the turns, our boat's right here by me. Another truck is coming out there. Get this guy. Oh, no. Run over this boat. Go. Go. They're coming after us right now. Dude, you're walking on the rock. Stop. He's coming up to hit our boat again. Try to get his boat. Slow down. Boat. Oh. Jesus, that guy's fucking crazy. Oh, he's coming after us. Oh my God. Okay, watch out for this guy. Gotta get his boat. Oh, he took his boat up. Get the yellow boat.